Hello guys and welcome to the new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how open a CD or DVD reader from the computer when it's not working from the open button, as you can see. Alright, for this process we need this little needle, something like this. Okay. We are put this needle in this hole, this tiny hole, and push it. Alright, it's now open. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time.
Toasted me how I served them. Sidewalking, I curbed them. Side talking, I let the thing sparking any little bit of peace I'm disturbing. Like hijack, it's a hijack, no more Gangnam Style. Besides back, yeah, I couldn't call this E2, but instead I called it right back now. Speed, me